Check it out, friends. This is the Fortem rechargeable headlight. On today's video, I'm going to give you a closer look. We're going to do some demo testing, and I'll give you a quick review. As you can see, it's got a rechargeable lithium battery. It's 350 lumen, light and portable, and it has a hands-free sensor. Now, there's all sorts of good options for using this. Now, we use our headlamps primarily to walk our dogs in the evening, but we also do a little bit of night mountain biking every once in a while when the trails are in good condition. So let's go ahead and get this opened up. We'll take a look at what's inside the box and get a closer look at the product. Okay, as you can see, we have the main headlamp here. It has your little flashlight battery compartment sitting on the side of the headband like this. And then in front is that nice big LED strip. Now these offer a really nice flood light feature. Now we'll show you a quick demo of this here in just a second out on our walking path at night. As you can see, the headband is really nice and adjustable. There's a lot of length there, so you can get it around a hard helmet if necessary, which is what these little clips are for. These are for hard hats, like on a construction zone. And then you also have a little USB cable. This is a USB-C to charge up your headlamp. So taking a closer look at the battery pack here, we've got our power button. I can click it, and as you can see, that LED strip comes on. I'm not gonna shine this directly in the camera because it is actually really, really bright. Now, if you hit the power button and you keep pushing it, this will turn just a little bit lower. I know it looks like it's strobing a little bit on camera, but it's just a little bit lower light frequency at this point. If we click it one more time, you can see the flashlight over here comes on, and this is going to give you a nice directional light, and it is pretty bright in and of itself. Again, we'll be testing this at night here in just a second. Click it one more time, and this will dim just slightly, and then we can turn it off. Now, one of the other cool features is that if you click this little sensor light when the power button is on, we can then wave our hand in front of that sensor, that'll turn off, and then obviously one more wave and it'll turn on. So again, that's kind of nice if you just need some quick light and you have it on the sensor mode, and again, you just want to control the ability to wave your hand and have it come on instead of hitting a button. You can remove that feature by clicking off. As you can see, it changes from orange back to red, and then again, moving our hand across that sensor makes sure the light continues to stay on. Now the USB-C port is located just on the back here. Let's go ahead and get our cable. I'm going to plug it in. I'm going to give this a full charge before we take the dogs for a walk tonight. So there you go, friends. That is the Fortem rechargeable headlamp. Hopefully that gives you a good idea of what it's capable of. It's a cool little product. Definitely a thumbs up from us. Hopefully that's made your shopping experience just a little bit easier. If it has, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe. We got a bunch more little product review tutorials for you coming up here soon. See you on the next one.